Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to create a plot using coordinates in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, prepare your coordinates in a simple format such as x, y, or longitude, latitude. Then copy the coordinates. After that, open your AutoCAD drawing. Over here, go to the Draw menu. Then click on Point. After that, select Multiple Point. Over here, paste the copied coordinates into the command line and press Enter. Then the coordinate points will be placed in your drawing. If you cannot see the points, double-click the middle mouse button to zoom to extents. Alternatively, type Z, then E in the command line and press Enter. If the points are still not visible, select all the imported points. After that, type P Type in the command line and press Enter. Over here, choose a point style that is easier to see. Then click OK. After that, verify that the points are clearly visible in the drawing. Over here, use the drawing tools to connect the points with lines if needed. Then, create a visual representation of your coordinated data. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.